Let's see how to create a brochure in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are two ways to create a brochure in Microsoft Word. First one is the manual method, where you first go over to the Layout tab and make sure that your page is set up properly. So let's go ahead and change this into the landscape orientation. And if we want to make a brochure that is a threefold type, which means that we can fold it into three different parts, let's go ahead and insert a table that would show three insertable, three spaces for us to fill in. Now that we have that, let's make sure that our table borders are properly set up. Let's go ahead and make sure that only the insides are visible. And we can make that a little bit thicker. And from here on, you can be as creative as you want. Now, for example, you can fill this in with text. You can also justify this text and as well as insert your image if you have any. Just go ahead and resize that to fit the section of your table. And really, you can really be as creative from here on out. However, another way to create a brochure that is probably much easier than this one is by going into the File tab, clicking on More Templates, and simply searching Brochure. And that should show a lot of different and more creative templates that are already set up with Microsoft Word. For example, let's click this one, click Create, and that should open a new document with the brochure already there. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.